Hi, it's Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana civil rights lawyer, and today I'd like to explain how a civil rights lawyer analyzes either a failure to protect claim, which usually starts, or the problem or the beef is usually this. Somebody who's in jail or prison is beaten up or killed by another inmate. And the family calls up, or the person calls up, and they want to bring a claim against the jail or the prison or the jail guards or the prison guards. And there are certain facts and circumstances which can support this failure to protect claim. The main circumstance, the main fact that we need is that the guards, the prison, the jail, that they were on notice, and that the fact that the incident was going to happen was legally what we call foreseeable. Let me give you for instance. You go into a jail and they know that there are many gang factions in the jail. You go into intake and they ask you if you are related or affiliated with a certain gang. And you say, yes, I am affiliated with gang X. They know that there are beefs with gang X and gang A. The jail would have a duty to keep the members of gang A away from the gang X folks. So if they go and put the new person from gang X in a pod where there are a number of gang members from gang A and the person gets beat up or killed, there potentially could be a claim because that was a foreseeable event. Another circumstances in which we see these types of claims is that an inmate complains to the guards or to the jail or prison about some other inmates that are harassing them, attacking them, threatening to kill them, and they ask to be put in either protective custody or moved, and then the specific guards do not do anything to move the person, and the person gets injured or killed. That again is foreseeable, and the guard in prison or jail had a duty to at least investigate it and potentially move or keep apart these people to protect the inmate who is concerned about getting beaten up or killed. The next situation that we see is many times in an excessive force claim, you could see one guard or one law enforcement officer being the person who allegedly caused the excessive force, but yet there were two others or another guard there, and they didn't do anything while the person was getting beaten up. In this case, that guard who was sitting on the side of the law enforcement officer that was sitting on the side had a duty to intervene and to stop the actual occurrence of what was going on, whether it was a fight or what was going on. The same thing with two inmates. If there are two inmates that are fighting and the guards are there and there's a number of guards to control the situation, the guards have a duty to break it up as long as they're not going to put themselves in too much harm's way to protect the folks from getting injured further. So those are the types of facts that we need in order to pursue a failure protect claim. If you have any questions about these types of claims, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.